Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I am in the Denver area today. I got to go to the Dollar Tree in Denver, which, well, it was actually in Littleton. And I wanted to share that I did get to go. I didn't buy a whole lot, but I did buy a few things and I'm going to show you that. And I wanted to show you that I got a little Christmas tree, so I'm going to put that in here. And here's my room. I'm watching the Weather Channel. I guess weather's coming in back home. There's my little tree, so I just had to have a little something. And whenever the maid or housekeeping cleans the room, then I'm going to leave it for them, wish them a Merry Christmas with a little gift in a card. And so those are my clothes that I have to iron for tomorrow. And so I just wanted to show you a little bit about my haul. So let me show you what sparked it for me to go. Not only did I want to go to the Dollar Tree, but I was watching the Home and Family show on Hallmark. And they reminded me about these easy to do Christmas trees that you can do for just very little, pennies on the dollar actually. And they have these patterns on their website, and you can certainly go and you can look that up, and I'll link the show below if you want to see it. But I wanted to try to make them while I was here in Denver because I didn't bring anything again, and here I am scrambling because I want to do some crafting while I'm on the road. So I just should know that I need to have a go bag for crafting, right? So anyway, let me show you some of the things that I did get at the Dollar Tree. I got this handmade card for housekeeping that I'm going to gift with the tree, and put a little gift in here, and it just says wishing you a very happy holiday season. So I always write a note to the staff and thank them for keeping my room clean and everything, and then I always leave a little tip for them. So I thought this would be a nice touch for the holiday season. I picked up some glue. I don't need 4 sticks, but that's what it came in at the Dollar Tree. Picked up some glue dots, and no, I did not have a pair of scissors, but they were only $1. And I picked up 2 packages of this glitter paper. There's green, red, and silver, which is perfect to make Christmas trees. And then there are no rulers at the Dollar Tree, so I picked up a ruler on a level. So 2 in 1, and it was $1. Hope it doesn't weigh down my suitcase too much. Anyway, just kidding. And then a couple of other things that we're bringing to our meeting tomorrow is this big buck of milk chocolate. Of course, everybody needs a big buck, especially when you have a big project. And then this cute little whack-a-pack. This is actually inflatable balloons that you pop, and, well, not pop, but you like hit them hard and then they poof up. And this was the only package we could find, so we thought we'd put them in our meeting room and see if anybody was so inclined to make the balloon inflate. So we'll see about that tomorrow, but that was kind of fun. So anyway, that is my haul, and that's really all I'm going to post unless I can get these trees made, and then I will do that video. Another thing is I did not bring my my tripod, so this is a handheld video tonight, so we'll see if I get it done. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and tomorrow don't miss the opening of day 6 for my Advent calendar. I'm so excited about that, and that will be posting tomorrow for December 6th. So anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good night.